Let's quickly make this ShapeUp spinner and export it as a real iOS activity indicator. This one's interesting. So we're creating a morph between a circle, a square, pentagon, and a hexagon, right? Well, you might think I'm going to try and make the animation between all of those, but you don't actually need to. If you position your layers and your animations properly, you make it look like they're morphing from one to another, but really it's maybe 3, 4 animations overlapping, and that's the best way to do these kinds of animations. So here we are. What we're doing is we're testing the individual animations from one to another. And then we stack them all. And then we play with the timings. And you see these little right-hand step curves? Those are the things that allow us to snap the visibility of one shape over top of another and hide one both at the same time. So you get to a point and then you snap the visibility and it's actually the next animation that continues. And so you get this really nice, actually quite aesthetic timeline. You play with the timings a little bit, you play with the easings, you make sure everything looks good. You export it to software, you run it. There you go. Your animation is ready to ship.